welcome to another video. So today we're going to be opening blind bags made by me I've known since last year how to make these plushies. I've just never posted about them. So this is my first video of me actually posting about me knowing how to do these. So first, I already made the blind bags, of course. I'll do a tutorial, I don't know, next week or something. And so yeah, luckily I made these so I can rip it. So let's just get right into it. So we're gonna open it. Oh, that worked so well. I didn't decorate the front that much, but I decorated the back. Can you see?
Yeah, that's cute.
Yeah, so this one's a legendary because it's a key, and this one's a common. So let's see what we got. I made this last week. No, I made this yesterday, so I totally forgot what I even put in here. So it comes with 2 pouches. Oh, normally I put like a piece of paper telling you what you got, but I guess I didn't this time. Totally forgot. Anyway, should we open the big one or the small one first, Mom?
The big one.
Okay, the big one. Let's see. Wait, what is the big one? So
Alright, let's do the small one.
Okay. This one's pretty hard to open, but I got it. It was a question mark at the front. See?
Oh yeah.
So let's see what we got. Oh, we got chocolate sauce. I don't know if you guys can read that with the sticky tape on it. But
it's chocolate.
It's chocolate sauce. Might be reversed, I don't know. I looked at the last video of the Pop Rocks, if any of you guys remember that. That's one of my shorts. I thought the writing would be reversed, but it's not. So maybe this will be reversed. I don't even know if you guys can see it. So that's chocolate sauce, because clearly one of them has chocolate sauce.
Okay, so open the big one.
I think I know which one I got. Who do you think I got this one? Which one do you think I got?
The pink one, I think.
That says caramel.
Oh, okay, so then you got the other one.
I don't know how to spell. It's facing the wrong way. Well, anyway. Hold on, I'm gonna make it face the other way so it looks cool, okay? So just,
Okay.
I'll be back. Okay, let's see what we got.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, I get it. I forgot I did this so we can
Oh,
that.
put chocolate
And
sauce
also, I
on.
even did the back. See? Squishy.
Ah.
And some ASMR. I don't have long nails. It works though, because sticky tape and paper. Make this.
Alrighty.
This one doesn't really squish because I accidentally covered it in lots of sticky tape because it wouldn't stick.
Okay.
So yeah, that's what we got for the first one.
That's cute. Say bye.
Wait, I have to open this one though.
Oh, okay. Open the other one then.
Anyway, time to open this one. So it's a Hello Kitty. Let's see what we. I actually put a paper in here. Did I actually put a paper in here? I forgot to decorate the. Oh no. That one says legendary on top. That one says common. I guess I forgot to put a paper
What'd
in
you
here.
get?
Oh, I put a paper in here. Let's see what this is, because I forgot to draw on the back.
Oh.
Common.
Oh yeah, it says comment on it.
Yeah,
Okay.
I got both common.
And then show the puppets. So what is that? Squishmallows.
It's Squish.
The squish.
It's
Oh yeah. You got
So
a
I
bow.
got a bow and Hello Kitty.
Oh, that's cute.
So yeah, that's what I got. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.